Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical component in SolidWorks 2025. We learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle, corner rectangle from origin. Now give the below this line below 140 and this line below 25. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now from mid plane. Now here give the below 80. Okay. Now go to right plane and sketch. Now draw the line here. Okay, select. Now give the value this line and this line distance 8 and this line dimension 30. Select. Now this dimension 70. Okay. Now this line control this arc tangent. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Give the value 60. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Give the value circle 30. This point and this line distance this point and this line distance 25. Select. Now go to this point, control this point, vertical. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now give the from blind below 30. Okay. Now go to again right plane and sketch. Now draw the line here from mid line here. Now select this point and this point. Select. Now this line and this circle distance 5. Okay. Now this line horizontal. Now these are convergent entities. Now this line and this point distance 15. Now go to feature and extrude. Now select here. You can trim extra line, extra arc. Now go to feature and extrude from mid plane. Now give the value 30. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle. Keep the value 20. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now here extrude card 30. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the rectangle, corner rectangle. Okay. Now give the value 108. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now from blind, direction change and give the value 20. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the line here. Select. Select. Now give the value. Now this line below 40. Okay. Now this arc below 50. 50. Okay. This point and this point distance 15. Now go to delete change. Now go to draw the rectangle here, corner rectangle. Now give the value this rectangle 50. This line and this line distance 68. 108 minus 68. 108 minus 68. 40. That means this line dimension 40. Okay. Select. Select midpoint. Control this point. Vertical. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Flip side to card. Now go to asymmetric view and draw the line here. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now go to I am going to cut here. Just move here. this line center line and this line center line and this line center line. Okay. Now go to extrude card. Now select here. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to right plane and mirror. Now select feature to mirror and here card select. Okay. Now go to fillet here, here and here. 15. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now draw the circle and give the value circle 20. Now this point and this line distance 43. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and select extrude card for all. Okay. Now go to chamfer. Now chamfer here distance to distance. Select asymmetric. Now here select 18 and here select 5. Now here select 18 and here select 5. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now make our job. Now go to here select plain white. Now go to select shaded. Now I am going to here use materials, metal or solid color. Now I am going to solid. Now I am going to select this color or this color as your wish. This color. I think this color is the perfect. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.